In your new materials, in your yellow folder, you will find our new writing journal for May, my May journal. There's a little bouquet of flowers on the cover and some beautiful flower and hearts around the border. There's a spot down here for you to write your name if you want to. You can definitely decorate these flowers, this bouquet, and also color the word May if you want to. It's always fun to decorate the cover of your journal, so you can take some time to do that today. For your assignment today, you're going to be going to the first page in your journal, and it is a labeling page. We're going to be labeling the parts of this cat. So, as usual, we have the words we're going to be using here at the top: paw, tail, eye, whisker, nose, ear. So pay attention to where your arrow here is pointing, like this is pointing to the ear of the cat. So in this box, we're going to write the word ear. That is this word, E-A-R. E-A-R. We're going to be using all lowercase letters as we label the parts of our cat. Now, if you want to make it easier, you can cross out the word ear because we've already used it. Sometimes that helps so we don't get confused. The next box here is pointing to the cat's nose. Nose starts with N, and I see here is a word that begins with N. So, N-O-S, and then a silent E. The E does not make a sound, and the O makes a long O sound. So, N-O's, nose. Again, you can cross it out. And now let's look at the next box over here. It is pointing all the way down here to the eye. Eye. Eye is a funny word. It sounds obviously just like a capital I, like when we're talking about ourselves. But when we're talking about an eye, like on a body, we spell it E-Y-E. So we're going to write that here in this box and then cross off that word. So we have done half of our words. We have done 3 words and we have 3 words left. Let's take a look at our first box down here at the bottom. There is a very long line pointing up here to this part of the cat, which is the whisker. Whisker starts with a WH sound. So let's write that here in the box. Wah. I. S. K. And then ER says whisker. Then we can cross off that word. We have 2 words left. Let's look at the middle box down here at the bottom and see what it is pointing to. And I notice it's pointing to the cat's foot, which we call a paw. That is spelled P-A-W. Paw. P-A-W. Paw. And then the A-W says aw. Paw. The last box is pointing all the way up to the cat's tail. T-A-O. That's our last word. T. The A-I says the long A sound together. T-A and then O. Tail. Now we have used all of our words and labeled all the parts of the cat. Feel free to color your cat. Kale and Cole, I know you have cats at your house, so you can color your cat to match maybe one of the cats that you have at your house. And Damien, you can color your cat any color you want to. Maybe you know somebody who has one, and you can color your cat to match their cat.